9-length combs cuts 1/16 to 5/8 inches, 15 to 15 mm, to achieve the exact look you desire. Lithium, rechargeable battery, 40 minutes of cordless runtime. The Shortcut Pro hair clipper can also be used corded for maximum versatility and convenience. 13-piece kit includes handheld clipper, 9-length adjusting combs, cleaning brush, storage, travel pouch, oil, charging adapter also included. Extra wide curved blade. The blade contours to your head with maximum coverage to provide a close, even-cut Shortcut Pro hair clipper is 100% washable, conveniently rinses clean under the faucet. Non-slip grip. Do not store in temperatures above 140. Style name. Haircut Kit. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit's haircut clipper is designed for fast, easy and precise cutting every time. The clipper has an extra-wide curved blade, follows the contours of your head for even cutting. The clipper is also designed to fit comfortably in your hand, giving you ultimate control for desired results. Palm grip design fits comfortably in your hand, not the blade. The blade is extra wide for fast haircuts and is curved to fit the shape of the head. The 9-length combs cut 1/16 - 5/8 to ensure you achieve the perfect length for you. Lithium power provides up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime with consistent power throughout. The Shortcut Pro hair clipper can also be used corded for maximum versatility and convenience. Voltage 110 to 120 VAC. Top reviews from the United States. The curved blade is the trick. Works great, at least for my short hairstyle. I can cut my hair myself now, even the hard-to-reach part. The curved blade is the key.